I guess good to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be walking you through the plugin boutique scalar to the MIDI detection function. This function is one of the function every producers that are using this plugin should wanna use. Or if you're looking forward to grabbing yourself one of this plugin, that's one of the function you might wanna use. By the way, I'm the Ray again. I talks about plugin review tips and tricks on your music making. And if that interests you, like the video, share the video, and hit the sub button to be a part of this channel. So the way this function work is, let's say you have your existing MIDI pack and you wanna do a little more with it, you wanna fine tune it, or you wanna just use that existing progression to create a whole new set of progression, right? That's where you're gonna be needing this MIDI detection function. And let's say you have yourself one of these your MIDI keyboard that's on the deck here for me, and you wanna use it to start up with your basic progression. Some of us we wanna know how to play one set of progression, right? Let's see you play that one set of progression and you wanna manipulate it, you wanna make it fine tune, and yeah, just come up with a whole new type of progression. This plugin is for you as well. But enough of the intro, let's dive in the video so you get to know exactly where we headed. First off, first thing to do if you want to start up using that function is load up the type of instrument you want to use, which I've talked about on the channel. Here is where you come and select whatever instrument of your choice. So watch that video I uploaded yesterday about how you can, load up all of your VST into this plugin, which is cool by the way, because I'm using one of my favorite VST and this is how it sounds. How cool that is, by the way. Okay, so at this point now, what we're gonna do literally is we're gonna come to this red button here, which I didn't see earlier. Now I'm seeing it. Hit this button and you have three options here, which we're gonna be covering all on this channel. We have the capture MIDI, we have the detect MIDI, and we have the detect audio. And we wanna just go through this stuff right now, by doing whatever stuff we wanna do, right? Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to hit this red button here, and once you see it blinking, that is you are now ready to capture whatever MIDI you're going to be playing on your VST keyboard, on your MIDI keyboard by the way, which is cool. If you don't want to use this function, now you can click this file here and you're going to be taken to your system. Go to your specific folder where you save your MIDI pack from whatever site you downloaded it from, and then you can just load one of it into this plugin and manipulate it, do however you want to do it, which is cool by the way. You might want to do that if that's what you want to do. So now since we are using our MIDI keyboard to play one of my regular type of progression, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to activate this and nice red blinking. Now let's play some MIDI. That's my favorite MIDI. That's kind of a A minor. As you can see, the chord is being detected. Now, once you are done playing your MIDI, all you're gonna do is click this button so that you stop recording, because once this is still blinking like this and you press your MIDI keyboard, you're gonna be adding more and more MIDI. So to get rid of that, update, and now we all set, and then they select a whole set of progression here where we can play them on. Woo, from this one. Wow, yeah, and we got this one here, and just from here now you can change your progression. Now we are playing A whatever, we can now change to F major scale, and this is what we have. And the cool stuff about this is your previous progression you play with your MIDI keyboard is stay here, so you get to know where you came from to where you are now and where you heading. Now where we heading is here, where you see the light function here is bright like this. This is where you're now going to spice up your idea to however you want to spice it up, right? Now let's hit this, and then we'll have a set of progression here, which is from within the F major scale, right? This is the first one. So I'm going to stop the talking. Let's go through this stuff and see how best we can grab a couple of progression where we can play some song, right? Okay, so let's play this one. Right, that's beautiful, man. So let's drag this one. You're gonna drag this one here. No. Take this one. how easy that is. Then the whole set. So what I'm going to do now, instead of redragging all of this stuff, I can just take this one and place it here. Voila, we all set to go. And what I'm going to do, close this window up, and one stuff I want you to know about this tab, if you open it up, all of the ones that are highlighted blue from the other ones that are less gray and the one that are brown, this one that are selected blue is the one that's going to work perfectly with the F major scale, whatever scale you're on. So for instance, I've taken the F major down here, I've taken D minor. If I click this D minor, all of the scale going to change. D minor is going to be the mean progression, and all of this one following to build up the D minor progression set. How cool that is. So come back to F and we are back. So all of the blue changes and all of the gray changes, right? I hope you understand that all of the ones in blue like this are the one from within the skill. They're going to work 99 or 89% of the time whenever you are trying to find a progression. How cool and simple that is. All right, let's close this window and then come here to the final part where we're going to make all of the magics happen. All right. Okay, so at this point, what we're gonna do, because I want to play this with my MIDI keyboard to feel more alive, let me drag the microphone a little bit to my mouth. I'm gonna hit this tab here called the link. Yeah, so once you hit this, it's gonna turn orange, and the cool stuff is the color it turn here is gonna be highlighted on the keyboard here. So from this point to this point, that's the range you're gonna be playing the progression, and the rest of the keyboard is free for one note and whatever stuff you want to do with it, right? So now let's go ahead and play our stuff and see how best. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful type of music. But while if at this point now, I just want to be creative. I don't want to play the same progression set I have here. Just think about the rhythm and go ahead and start playing it. Trust me and trust the process. It's going to work for you. So let's try to play another rhythm. So I want to play a progression I do. Dun, 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 dun. It's kind of a singing, it's kind of a cool song, and yeah, that's the groove, my friend. So you see, there are a couple of stuff you can do with this stuff. Guys, that's it for this video. I do hope you find something on this video that you're gonna make use of, and yeah, and just in case there are stuff you still struggling to understand, let me know in the comment section, because I'm open up to that. I'm gonna answer all of your questions, and if there's any stuff you want me to talk about next on this plugin, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to already do a video on that for you. Well, out of the way, I'm your boy D again. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and sub to the channel. With all that being said, I hope to catch you on the next video.